Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. We're here again. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys here today. It's been a crazy week. I don't know how about you guys, about how much snow and everything you got this past weekend, but it was way too much, I'll tell you that. And it's always on a Sunday night into Monday, and Monday mornings, I always have an appointment at 7:30 in the morning, but luckily they called and changed that, and then I didn't have to go until 3 in the afternoon, and it was fine by then. But I've had enough of the snow. I'm ready for spring. So anyway, I'm going to flip you guys around over here and show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree. All right, we got our usual goodies that we always pick up at Dollar Tree. My husband gets most of them because that's his treat for follow me around Dollar Tree. So let's see, what did he get? He got a Crunch Bar this time. More of these peanut butter cups that he loves. These are the Palmer brand. And a pack of Milky Ways. So he's stocked up on his goodies. I picked up, oh, I can't even speak English, so let's try again. I picked up this pack of strawberry Twizzlers. I haven't had these in like forever. And I saw them on an end cap that they had at Dollar Tree, so I figured I'm going to get some. Because, yeah, like I said, I haven't had these in a long, long time, and I love them. So, got a pack of those. He got some of the Snack Pack butterscotch puddings. Popcorn. We love this popcorn. This is the cheese popcorn, the Brims brand. This is really, really good. So you get this quite often. And still a good deal, although I do hear that some of the prices on these things, you know what? I am going to pause my doorbell because my husband's outside doing things, and it's just going to ding every time he walks past the door. All right, there we go. That should solve that. I did hear, yeah, I don't know exactly what all's going up in price again, but it's really discouraging. But anyway, picked up a couple more sodas. The IBC, he got the black cherry this time. These are so good. I said nothing better than a glass bottle with sodas. And this one's a cream soda. So he got those. I grabbed these. I love to have these on hand. I got the buttery home-style mashed potatoes. I like the plain mashed potatoes. I like to add stuff to it if I want to. My husband's not a big fan of plain mashed potatoes, so I got him the roasted garlic. So these are just great in a pinch. I don't make these that often, but I mean, there's nothing better than real mashed potatoes. But these are great, you know, when you're in a pinch, you want to make something real quick. I mean, there's times where we'll just grab, you know, rotisserie chicken from the store or something and just make a really quick dinner that way. Because, you know, times are busy. Always busy. There's always appointments. There's always so much to do. I would love for just 1 week where I didn't have to go anywhere. There's so many different little stores and things that I want to get to. I want to get back to Ross. I haven't been there in a while. I am doing an Aldi's trip, so I'm going to try to get that video up. Maybe I'll put it up this weekend. I'm not sure. But they always get some really cool stuff there in their aisle of shame, as people call it, at Aldi. I just love some of the stuff they get in. But anyway, I haven't been there in a while, so I want to go there and get that done too. Anyway, picked up 2 more boxes of tissues. 'Tis the season, and it'll be 'tis the season again very soon. Once springtime gets here. And now my dog's gonna bark out there. Let's see. No, hopefully she'll stop barking. All right, there's a couple things I got. This was on an end cap, and I thought these were adorable. I, for some reason, thought these were $5. They were not. They were $7. I just looked at scanned the back of it here, which I should have done in the store, except I didn't bring my phone with me. Because a lot of things now they have on shelves, you know, and it's like, you know, things are like $3, $5, $7, whatever. And sometimes it's hard to tell which ones are which. And that's why I like to bring my phone, because our store doesn't have a scanner in the store. I know some do, where you can, you know, scan all this stuff yourself while you're shopping and check. Ours do not, but I do have the app on my phone. But yeah, they're $7. But look how darn cute these are. It's bunny string lights. It takes 2 AA batteries, and they're all white LED lights inside, and it is 5 feet long. But how cute is that? Love them little lights. So I got those. And this guy here I got for out in my patio because, you know, I like my goofy frogs and there's nothing better than a bobblehead goofy frog. And he's got himself a nice little watering can there. And he was $5, so I was glad to see that that was still pretty much the same as they were last time when they had these guys out. I don't know if they had this exact one, but I thought he was too darn cute. He had to come home just so he can sit on my porch and do that when the wind blows. Love him. So yeah, it's all metal. So yeah, he's really cute. Love those goofy guys. I picked up some of the napkins they had. These were actually by the party supplies, not into the Easter stuff. But I picked this one up here. This one's not like in the Easter things. It's not even labeled like that. It's just in the party section. But I thought that's real pretty for spring. And you get, what, 14 guest napkins in here. So I got that one. And I thought this one was really, really pretty with these tulips on it. I like those a lot. And you get 14 of those also. So, does it say if these are 1 or 2 plies? No, but they're usually a 2-ply napkin. So, yeah, great to do some decoupage with and stuff, too. I also grabbed some tissue paper while I was there. I thought this was really pretty. I always like to have a lot of tissue paper on hand, you know, because I stick everything in a bag anymore. I used to wrap stuff all the time, but anymore, it's just easier to throw a pretty bag with some pretty tissue paper, and there you go. So I thought that was nice. It's got 8 sheets in there. And hopefully there's a couple of each one of the pretty ones. But yeah, there's really nice pastel ones too, so that's really nice. So let me put that over there. So that's going to go in my closet over there where I keep all my goodies. I did finally find some more of my sponges that I like. These are the Brillo ones. Bacteria resistant sponges they're called. I love these. These are my favorite ones. I haven't been able to find them for a while, but we went to a different Dollar Tree. And I'm hoping next week when I go to the Dollar Tree that's closest to me that maybe they finally have things out of boxes, because it's been a while for anything new in that store. But yeah, I picked up 2 packs of those because those are my favorite sponges. You know, you get something, I mean, there's a million kinds of sponges, but you just get one that you really, really like, and that never fails. That's the hardest one to find. My husband wanted this brush he picked up. He wanted this for in the back to clean something on the pellet stove. I'm not exactly sure what, but he wanted to get another, and this is a nice stiff brush. This is actually, it's just a pot and pan brush, it's called. So he got that for himself. Oh, he also picked up a couple paint brushes, because in the spring you want to get a carport repainted. So I love Dollar Tree's paint brushes. These are really nice ones with the wooden handles like this. I've been buying these for years and years and years. I hope they never change these because they paint so good and they clean up really nice. And I've had some that I've used over and over for a long, long time. They have these out now. This is the Armor All-Purpose Car Wash. Haven't been able to find this for a while either, so I was happy to find that. It's 10 fluid ounces, and I can't wait for spring so I can wash my car. I love washing my car. I don't know why. A lot of people just like to run through the car wash. I'd rather do it myself if I can. So when I'm having a good day, I'm going to wash my car. Not right now because, you know, of course our hose and everything's frozen. But it'll get there. Then I found these stickers. These were in the Easter section. These little felt stickers. You get 6 pieces in here. And these are cute little Easter eggs. And then this one here is, and I didn't realize until after I picked them all up, because I was just going to get these. I figured these would be nice to glue onto something. I didn't even realize they were stickers. I was just excited to find these cute little things. But you get 6 of the carrots, and then you can see it has the adhesive back to it. So that's nice. I think I'll add a few little lines on these carrots with maybe a Sharpie to make it look more like a carrot. And then they have 6 of the Easter bunnies. We got pink, purple, and blue, it looks like, in here. And they're also a sticker. So how cute are they? Love them. They also had a whole bunch of these beads back in. And I always grab these when I can. I believe these were still $1.20. You know what? Let me double check. I brought my phone for this purpose. I can never remember everything here, price-wise, now that everything's so different. Line it up. There we go. Yeah, these are still $1.25. So, and these are all those nice wood beads. I mean, you can use these for all kinds of things. So I got a strand of that, and then I got these. I love these. Make cute little legs on little risers and things too, just for something to sit around like on a vanity or whatever. I've used these a lot, and these are like the little square ones. You get quite a few on there. Not a bad deal, because wooden beads, like in the craft stores, are expensive. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then I grabbed another one of these jute twine, they're calling these. I use this a lot in crafting, and this is actually in the garden section now, and this is a really big roll of this jute string. And let me check the price on these too, because now I can't remember. But they had these, and I'll show you the other one. They have it also in a green. These are $1.50, but not bad. What do you get? 300 feet on here. So I picked up one like this, and then I picked up, my dog is still barking like a maniac out there. And I got one in this cool green color. So this would be great to use out in the garden. All right, well, that is all I picked up as far as Dollar Tree stuff here goes this trip. I'm going to go see what my dog's barking at, and then I will grab little P and bring him in for his visit. All right, here comes little P. I told him, I said, come on, you want to go be on TV? You're a superstar. Are you a superstar? Yeah, you saw me get the peanut, I know. Oh, you don't want the peanut? You want to bite my finger? You're a wackadoodle. What are you doing? Oh, my. You were just being such a good boy out there, sitting in the kitchen on your play stand, just whistling away. And now you want to be a brat? Let me move my phone before you decide to chew on that. You don't want your peanut? Oh, okay. Change your mind. Has you been a good boy today? He actually has. Last couple of days, actually, he's been pretty good. Yeah. Not a bunch of screaming and hooting and hollering like normal. He's been keeping himself busy. He took a nice bath yesterday in his water dish. He just dives in there, don't you, Pig? Say, oh yeah. You didn't get the peanut out. He was being a good boy. Yeah. There you go. It's a good one? Yeah, that is a good one. All right. You happy boy today? Yeah. You was a nasty boy last week, weren't you? You don't want me to tell on you? You was nasty. He kept going after my double yellow head Amazon. It was, 3 times the size of him. I mean, my Amazon's a big bird. But he doesn't care. He decided he was going to go in there and try to chase him out of his house. Excuse me. Twice. Twice I had to go get you out of there. He's a big boy. He's a big wuss. But you're being a good boy this week. Yeah. That's all that matters, right? Yeah. You can get hurt one of these days because you think you're a lot bigger than you are. Huh. Yeah. It's a good one? You don't eat much of it. Most of it falls out of your mouth, but it's cute. They're yummy. You haven't had one in a while. No. Tell everybody about our snowstorm over last weekend, huh? He's like, I don't care. Say, I don't have to go out and dig snow or tried to keep up with it. I have that little electric or battery operated snow shovel that I got from Temu actually, and that thing's a lifesaver. As long as you go out and, you know, like, I don't know, it's probably maybe 3 inches. I went out like, I think 3 times with that little guy, and just to make a path out here to the sidewalk and to the yard so the dogs can get out there. Here, you got to get that one out of the shell. But, yeah, it's so much work, all this snow. It's just so much work to get my car out and stuff to go to my appointment on Monday, and then, you know, by Monday afternoon, most of it was all melted and going away off the driveways and the roads and stuff. The roads were pretty clear by Monday morning. But boy, I'll tell you, closer to the shore and up north from here, man, they got hammered with this snow. Yes, they did. It's just funny what a difference just a few miles make when this storm came in. Because they had like, I don't know, 80-mile-an-hour winds, gusts out by the shore. And we really didn't have hardly any wind here. And, I mean, it's not that far from here to the Jersey Shore. You know, it's a couple-hour drive, but it's just such a big difference from here to there. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, good. I like just listening to him crunch away. Huh, we should make a video of you just chewing. You did a good job on this peanut. Yes, you did. Look at your back nail's got a point on it already. I just cut them a few days ago. What, do you sit and sharpen it when you're in your house? I'll tell you, it's rough on the fingers when you go to pick him up when he has those sharp nails. Yeah. Yeah, you agree with me? We did good? Yeah, it was. Alright, P. Well, if you're done with that, I think we're going to let everybody go. So we got to get all this stuff put away here and get this video up on the computer and all that fun stuff. And then figure out what we're having for dinner tonight. I don't even know yet. We'll figure that out later. What do you think? You ready? What do you want? You ready to go? All right. We'll tell everybody have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.